To do this, say I expand filter trend on TikTok. First open TikTok. Now go to search option and search AI expand filter. After this you will find lots of videos of the same trend. Now click on any one of the video and then click on try this template option available above the username. If you don't find this option available in the video, then look for another video which has this option. Now click on template and then click on use template in CapCut. After clicking here you will automatically switch to CapCut. Or you can directly click on the template link given below in my description. After clicking that you will automatically switch to CapCut. Now click on use template and upload your 6 photos. After adding your photos, click on preview. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.